Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to connect GoDaddy to HubSpot. Connecting your GoDaddy domain to your HubSpot account can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're trying to streamline your business processes, enhance your marketing efforts, or simply ensure your online presence is consistent, integrating GoDaddy with HubSpot offers several benefits. Today, we're going to walk you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. Let's dive into the details. The first step you need to take is to have both your GoDaddy and HubSpot accounts open and ready to use. It's important to ensure you're logged into both platforms for a seamless transition. Starting with HubSpot, you'll want to navigate to the configuration area for your domains. This is where you set the groundwork for the connection. To find this page, look for the gear icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the HubSpot dashboard. Clicking this icon will lead you to a page where you can fully configure the settings for your HubSpot account. Once you're in the settings, direct your attention to the Tools tab. This is crucial because the domain settings are not immediately obvious. You'll need to click on the Tools tab, then go to the Content section. Here, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. You should select Domains and URLs from the list. One of the great things about HubSpot and GoDaddy is their seamless integration. This means that transferring your domain can be a smooth and hassle-free process. Once you select the correct option, a pop-up will notify you that GoDaddy is properly integrated with HubSpot. Now you're ready to connect your domain. Click on Connect a Domain. You'll be presented with two options. For most users, you'll want to choose Primary. This option is for connecting a root domain or subdomain as the default home for your main websites, pages, blogs, or landing pages. If your domain is primarily for a website, and not for something like an email marketing system, this is the option you'll want to select. After selecting Primary, you'll be prompted to enter the details of your GoDaddy domain. So, let's switch over to your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Domain section. If you're unsure where this is, it can usually be found under the Websites tab. Select the domain you wish to connect. Copy the domain name, and then head back to HubSpot. Here, you'll paste the domain name into the appropriate field. Additionally, you'll need to input the name server, IP address, and any other necessary information that HubSpot requires. These details ensure that your domain is properly configured to work with HubSpot. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by HubSpot to complete the importation of your domain details. Once you've input all the necessary information, simply hit the Connect button. This finalizes the connection, and your GoDaddy domain should now be successfully linked to your HubSpot account. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to HubSpot. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to connect GoDaddy to HubSpot quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to connect GoDaddy to HubSpot, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.